Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Natural Remedy TV. Welcome back once again to my channel. I really appreciate you. Thanks for always returning back to watch my video. God bless you all wherever you are. And I say very big thanks to all my subscribers, viewers and commenters. Thank you so very much. If today is your first time of watching my video or you just come across my video today, I really thank you so very much. In today's video, I came here the last time talking about my bad makeup. So I'm still learning how to make up and I'm still trying to do my best. Today I did another one, so that's why I've come to show you guys my look today, my new look. If you have watched my previous video, you will see how my face looked on that video, and this one I wanted to rate it. And if you know this makeup is better than the previous one, just give a like, place a comment. And if you know the previous one is more better than this one, so check me out guys. Oh nah, oh nah, hey, see makeup. Oh, fear me go wrong. You have to be the judge. You need to judge this matter. You need to judge this matter. See makeup. If you haven't watched my previous video, go and watch it and tell me the difference. See. I know that the color is still different from my skin, and I don't know what to do anymore. I'm still learning. I'm trying to improve, and tell me how I look, guys. I need to see your comments, what you think about this makeup. Do I look good on this, or the previous one is more better? I don't know. In my own observation, I think this one is more better than the previous one, because the previous one I look like a masquerade. That one, oh nice. Oh yeah, check. Make you give me the answer. Be cool. I want to hear the answer. I want to see that beautiful comment of yours. Give me the answer. How do I look on this? Do I look ugly on this? Do I look beautiful on this? Or do I look just normal? I not say something not there right. Looking at it alone, me I not say it's not correct. Never. Not correct. See the line, map of America. See, different. Now once you know say the plaster things, so foundation the plaster on top. See, if you like, I will still keep on trying, learning. I need to go to school. I need to enroll, and I need to graduate. Of course. Nah, even the lipstick can make my mouth wide. See, I can't go reach here. I can't. Let me go run. Okay, guys, let me leave you for now. Please don't forget to place that beautiful comment. Don't forget to like my video. 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 Bye for now. Don't mind me. I can play very well. I can play like a baby. Last one, I saw that they play.